Marcus Houston will be releasing a new album next month, but first the singer is set to hook up with Yung Joc. Houston, Joc, and singer Trey Songz will be shooting a video in the coming weeks for First Time. The song is the third single from Joc's debut album, New Joc City, which is approaching platinum status. Houston recently released the lead single and video, Favorite Girl, from his forthcoming album, Veteran. The singer shared what fans can expect.
What the fans can expect is me. This is the first album that I've done that's been all about the first album that I really got to make about what I wanted to do and how I wanted to feel, and it's really close to what I am as a person and what I've been through in my relationships and what I've been through breakups and makeups and the relationship that I'm currently in now, and just everything emotionally that I was going through as a man at that time, from the last album to this one, is all in this package, and it's really close to me because it's really personal. I wrote most of the songs on the album, or co-wrote most of the songs on the album with help from all the wonderful producers, and you get a reflection of who I am as a man. And I think that's the biggest expectation. Just expect, when you hear the songs, know that they're coming from somewhere.
The album hit stores on November 14th and features guest appearances by Maya, Shawnna, and Yung Joc.
Everything was my fault, girl, that's baloney. Don't point the finger at me, we both did wrong, see. Oh yeah, oh